Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to the ScareCorp channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing on this Powerfist 3.5 ton quick lift floor jack. So this is a low profile floor jack. It's about 100 pounds, 3.5 tons, so it'll be able to lift mid-sized vehicles pretty good. So lift range is from 4 inches to about 21 max inches, so pretty nice lift range. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Oh yeah. The owner's manual. Anything in here that we need to know? Not really. Here's some of the specs. I'm going to pause that. Alright, so you can get these on sale. I got mine on sale today for 129 bucks. I think they're around $200 or something regular, so yeah. Looks pretty sweet. Can't wait to use it. I know how to put this back in here. Alright. Anyway, I'm sure I'll figure it out. This thing comes off. There's a hinge here I got to take off. So anyway, I think that's it for this video. If you have any comments or questions, post them down below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see a review on this guy, hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos that are to follow this one. Alright? Well, talk to you later. That's it for my time. I do thank you for yours. Bye.